Hey guys, welcome to another edition of The Watch Collector. My name's Ollie. Today we're going to look at one of my favorite independent brands out of Germany, and that's Kudoke. But of course, before we do, it's the obligatory wristwatch check, and today I'm wearing the Czapek Antarctique Revelation S. So, Kudoke. I love their K1, their K2, their K3, and here we have for you today the K5, with yet another interpretation of how to tell the time. Presented in a 38mm case, stainless steel. Present and correct is the slightly stepped bezel, the beautifully domed sapphire crystal that gives the window into the full-time display and 24-hour indicator that we'll come on to shortly. Just 7mm in what Kudoke determines as visible height, because you can see just how domed that sapphire crystal is. Love the onion style crown, really satisfying to both look at and utilize, and it really kind of blends well with the overall aesthetic to my mind. Nicely curved lugs. But I'm going to stop waffling, because of course the real reason I really appreciate this watch is the way it tells the time. So they do away with hands, and instead you just get a massive hand engraved rotating disc. Of course you have one half for daylight, one half for nighttime. You've got Ursula Minor and Polaris, as I mentioned, hand engraved, and then electroplated gold and rhodium to give that contrast effect. So hopefully this is going to come out on camera so that you can see precisely how we tell the time. At the moment, what we have is at the top, just after 24, see this is the nighttime indicator, and you've got that gold arrow right at the very tip. At the bottom, we have multiple arrows, I suppose you could probably determine them as the sun rays burst out from the dial, and I'm going to move it through the time so you can see that you can actually quite intuitively tell the time with no hands at all, and in the daylight, God, this pops in a way that you just wouldn't expect, particularly when you get literally the sun bursting, hitting that day indicator. It really does look fantastic. Very nice snick, 38-hour power reserve from that movement in collaboration with Habring. 50-meter water resistant. I love the frosted base plate, the hand engraved balance cock. Kudoke, as I mentioned, is genuinely one of my favorite manufacturers out of Germany. I love their attention to detail. Their watches are really not only well made, but incredibly wearable, and they just bring something different to the table. And I hope I'm not speaking out of turn here, they also bring a sexiness that some German manufacturers don't always manage to bring. So let's throw it on the wrist and see how it wears. So this is presented on a very supple calf strap, and as I mentioned, you've got the satin finished around the flanks of the case, brushed bezel with that really domed sapphire crystal, incredibly wearable. So just 7mm in height, 38mm in diameter, but I think it has more of a wrist presence than that actually. The way that the strap really pulls down around the wrist makes for a really snug fit, but because of that, the way they've not only domed the sapphire crystal but also the time and day-night indicator, it has a real depth to the piece that you don't always get on watches. It's incredibly light, so it's stainless steel, but even though the fact that obviously titanium would be lighter, it's incredibly wearable and the kind of piece that you would forget that is even on your wrist. And because it's so domed, will easily go under a cuff or a shirt sleeve. Incredibly well, I mean, you could wear this literally for anything, for a meeting, for just messing around during the daytime, for fun, for serious, just really pops. And I think anyone who knows anything about watches will know that you're wearing a piece that is really quite eye-catching, but at the same time intriguing. So guys, that's the Kudoke K5 in stainless steel. Would love to know what you think about German watchmaking in general, and specifically Kudoke. But for now, that's enough from me. We'll see you next time.